Do you need appliance therapy before starting all your full mouth reconstruction cases? Where do you need appliance therapy before starting your full mouth reconstruction cases? Why do you need these orthotic appliance therapies before starting those particular set of cases? Do you need the appliance therapy post completion of every full mouth reconstruction case? And very important concept, do you need to train the patient to close in a particular bite, or can you train a patient to close in a particular bite before starting your full mouth reconstruction cases? Answering these questions in short. No, you do not need to put your patient on an appliance therapy before starting every full mouth reconstruction cases. It is only in those cases who suffer from muscle disorders or intracapsular joint disorders or some form of orofacial pain that you might think of placing the patient on an occlusal appliance therapy for a certain period of time before starting your full mouth reconstruction cases. Now, why do you need to institute appliance therapy in full mouth reconstruction cases in patients who have orofacial pain, masticatory muscle disorders, or temporomandibular joint disorders? That is because an appliance helps an intracapsular disorder to adapt so that you will be able to record a stable, repeatable, recordable, repeatable position, which is the centric or the pseudocentric position. In muscle disorder cases, once you place the patient on the appliance therapy, the muscles will lose their hyperactivity and the condyles will be able to return to the centric for you to be able to record the centric relation properly. Without instituting an appliance therapy in an intracapsular disorder, you cannot record a centric relation or a pseudocentric relation. And in an extracapsular disorder like masticatory muscle disorders, you won't be able to record the centric relation because the muscles won't let go. So in those cases, you do need to place the patient on an appliance therapy for a certain period of time before you can start your full mouth reconstruction. For all other cases who do not suffer from any joint or muscle pain, you're good to go ahead. Can you train a particular patient to close in centric relation before you start your full mouth reconstruction case with an orthotic appliance? No, you cannot. So you don't need to train your patient to close in a particular position on an appliance before starting your full mouth reconstruction cases, because as soon as the appliance is out of the mouth of the patient goes into maximum intercuspation. So there is no use of training or trying to train your patient to close in a particular manner before you start your full mouth reconstruction cases. Can you program a patient to close in a particular manner so that you can help him close in your recorded position after your full mouth reconstruction cases? No. If you think you can program a patient to close in a certain manner, you are completely wrong. Well, yes, the patient closes in a certain manner while he or she is on an appliance therapy. But as soon as the appliance is out of the mouth, the patient returns back to the maximum intercuspation position. So your efforts to train the patient to close in a particular manner are futile. Your final occlusion on your full mouth reconstruction cases will anyways not match the occlusion on the appliance perfectly. So training a patient to close in a certain manner before your full mouth reconstruction cases is not a good choice. Do you need appliance therapy after completion of every full mouth reconstruction case? The answer is yes. You need appliances to protect your prosthetic work and to reduce the overall joint loading after completion of your full mouth reconstruction cases.